The Treasurer's plea for interest rate restraint has been ignored this Christmas. The official rate rose 0.25% today. Then Westpac immediately passed on nearly double that, leading some to call it the Scrooge Bank.
1, 2, 3, up you come.
At Marylands today, plenty of Christmas wishes.
What can I get you for Christmas?
But no one was asking for this.
25.
There we go. Yeah.
Another 0.25% hike, a record third rate rise in 3 months.
Interest rates were super low. We just don't need super low interest rates anymore because the economy is recovering.
You going to give me a high five? Good boy. Low five. Too slow.
But for some families, too much.
Well, I've told my kids that Santa won't be bringing that much because they've upped the interest rate.
This rise adds $47 a month to the average $300,000 mortgage repayment. With the other increases, that's an extra $187 since October.
I just said I've just got to get him a few clothes and that's about it.
Not what retailers want to hear.
To have an interest rate rise just before Christmas, the critical time, is something of a major blow.
Westpac was first to follow the hike and then some, going up 0.45.
They passed the increases on almost at the speed of light, and in this case, more than that which the Reserve Bank have. And, you know, some people are going to regard that as Scrooge-like.
It's set to be the Christmas gift that keeps on giving, while some experts now say that a February rate rise is less certain. You can pretty much bank on there being more increases throughout 2010.
Won't be a happy Christmas.
Paul Kadak, 7 News.